Chengdu Tianfu International Airport has two terminals, Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. Terminal 1 mainly handles international and regional flights and also operates some domestic services. Terminal 2 is primarily used for domestic flights within China. On the airport map, you can also see the ground transportation lines clearly marked. The round building located between Terminal 1 and Terminal 2 is an airport hotel. Now, let's walk through the arrival process for an international flight at Terminal 1. After landing, there are two possible ways to enter the terminal, depending on where your aircraft parks. If your flight parks at a remote stand, you will exit the aircraft by stairs and take a shuttle bus to the terminal. After entering the building, go up by escalator from the ground floor to level 2, which is the international arrival level. If your aircraft parks at a contact gate, you will use a jet bridge and walk directly into the terminal on level 2. Once inside, simply follow the signs for arrivals and transfer. Continue walking forward or use the moving walkway. Very soon, you will see signs for China Immigration. At Immigration, there are manned counters, as well as self-service fingerprint collection machines for foreign travelers. You will also find immigration records self-print kiosks and health quarantine screening in this area. After clearing immigration, follow the signs for arrival, exit, and baggage claim to collect your luggage. Each baggage carousel displays the flight number on the screen above it, making it easy to find your bags. Next, proceed toward Customs Arrival Hall. If you have nothing to declare, you may use the green lane. Once you exit into the arrival hall, you can meet your driver waiting with a name sign at the exit. Alternatively, if you are a frequent traveler, you may choose to go upstairs to the departure level. Go to Gate 13 inches, the departure hall, inform your dispatcher that you are already at Gate 13, and your driver can pull up to pick you up within 2 to 3 minutes.